Start. Okay, come closer over here. We have a brown all white action here. Okay. No, that sounded really racist. Oh, this is off to a good start. I'm gonna teach all of you guys how to paint your trucks because, I mean, like, people out there charging like 5-10 grand for a paint job, you know what I mean? And in today's economy, I mean, it is just not even affordable. But when your truck's brown and you want it to be white, like, you gotta learn how to do it. And that's what I'm here for. I'm gonna teach you. So let's come over here. We've already clearly we've been going to town on it a little bit, you know. And first coat, what you want to do, you want to cut out all the extra steps that you can, because it's just a bunch of it's big paint trying to get you to buy primer before you put the paint on. But look at this right here, 2 times paint primer premium, right? Okay, that's what you want right there, because that cuts out all the middleman shit. And I mean, like, if you're a dude out there, obviously you buy like a 5-in-1 soap for when you're in the shower, you know what I mean? Because you don't want to do a whole bunch of extra steps, changing all the bottles and stuff. It's just a lot of work. So what you want to do, get you some primer and paint in the same can. And all these guys doing like $10,000 paint jobs and stuff, they can't put primer and paint on a car at the same time. So you're actually better than them. Don't listen to big paint. So, well, I should show you how to do the first, like, coat first. I'll give you a little rundown here. You gotta do a little bit of prep. But when you do a lot of prep, I mean, I like to say prep's for pussies, you know? Just kind of wipe some of the dirt off. And then you're just gonna get in here and do some strokes. Go like 3 foot. 3 foot seems good. And you're just gonna kind of rough this stuff on there. And make sure you get a lot of drips and drabs. So that way, you know, like when you do your second coat, you know where you need to fill in your highs and low spots at. Because, I mean, obviously you're gonna see it, but like, that's the thing, you wanna be able to see it. So like I said, lay your first coat on pretty thick, because you wanna get the bulk of the paint and the primer onto the truck. And you little pause there, but you might be thinking like, oh my gosh, Hickory, why are you painting your taillights? Have y'all seen the price of tape? The price of tape is outrageous right now. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray paint right over your taillights, and then you're gonna go on Marketplace and you're gonna buy a new set of taillights for $10 instead of a $30 roll of tape. Because in today's economy, you gotta be very smart with your money. But you just wanna make sure you get a good coverage over this whole thing. So you go from here, maybe a little over there, you know. Just, people are gonna tell you that the strokes matter if you go side to side or up and down like that. It doesn't, dude. Because that's what I'm saying. You're gonna get all your drips and your drabs down on the first coat, and then you're gonna go and finish it out. So we're gonna show you the finishing it out part now. So this over here, this is probably still wet paint, but if you get kind of close to it, you can see that there's some layers to it and the lows and highs I was talking about. So you're just gonna kind of sit back here, and you want to stay a good wiener length, probably 8, 10, probably 15 wiener lengths away from the pickup, and you're just gonna kind of hose it down until all the highs and lows go away, like this. So just kind of sit here and give her a little dust down like that. I mean, isn't that beautiful? I can't see any lines in this paint anymore. And you might be like, oh, so much paint isn't getting on the truck, Hika. Like, that's, who cares? It's paint and primer. You didn't buy both, so your budget for paint and primer together is higher. It's really good. So now if you kind of back up here, you can see where this section right here looks really good, and over here you can still see all the highs and lows. And that is how to paint a truck for dummies.